Children are the best storytellers. Their imagination and creativity have no limits, regardless of their abilities.
Na-witness ko today that if given the proper avenue and opportunity, yung mga kids, they can do better things na more than sa inaakala.
Ang gusto ko ata sila motivate na kaya lang lahat kahit lang may mga disabilities sila.
Through art, we can help all children, including those with disabilities, express their ideas, feelings, and experiences. As part of VCS's 20th anniversary celebration, we wanted to dedicate our milestone to the advocacies that reflect our core values of inclusivity and diversity. Our World Through Art is part of this. More than just an art workshop, this activity raises awareness about children with disabilities and demonstrates how we can band together to support them.
Yung mga projects like OWTA and other projects, PVCs, what is very important about it is that they build your empathy. So it's very important to be able to empathize with all kinds of people from all walks of life.
So having these kinds of experiences, Christine, it helps you stay grounded and become more connected sa mga bata. So with these kinds of programs, mas naiintindihan mo sila and kasi pag niwalwag to programs din, nagkakaroon to ng opportunity to train and get to know deeper yung mga situations that we're children with disabilities.
Hindi natin matutulungan mga anak natin, hindi talaga natin tatanggapin sa sarili natin. Pag-i-in denial tayo, wala. Hanggang doon lang din bata, paano natin matututunan. So, ang gagawin natin, nakahanapan natin ng aftermath din sa mga kapayanay nila at ipaasas mo na syempre kung sa doctor na pwede dito sa disability namin. Para malaman kung paano natin sila tulungan.
After the second diagnosis, it was heartbreaking, of course. But after some time, if you see her growing, it's your problem. We had to face it head-on. Pagka naman ang diagnosis, we had to look for therapy, workshops, whatever could help her. So you just really have to realize that it's not really for us, but it's for her. We always have to see that it's for her. Everything that we do is for her. So align kami ng husband ko doon. And yun, started very early.
Pangarang ko, maging good sila. Maging okay lang sila kung tingnan ko doon.
So I think what's important is you give her avenues to express yourself. Right avenues. Nagkakaroon ng bites na hindi namin alam if this is good for her. It's okay to try. You'll never know if you don't try. Like with the parents who doesn't get their diagnosis, doesn't want to get the diagnosis. But it's not for them eh. It's for her. You have to think about your kid. What if walang diagnosis? What if meron? Pero makaka-mag-me at peace ka kapag meron kang help. It's called help.
Oh, so overwhelming. Lalo na kapag hindi ka well-informed kung ano yung papasukin mo. Workshop or training or seminar. But dito, pumasok ako kasi na hindi 100% yung knowledge ko, but with the heart na gusto ko talagang tutulong. And genuinely gusto kong malaman kung ano yung pinagdadaanan ng mga tao. Pagkalaan ko ng volunteer, ng time ko, ng effort, and ng mind ko. So, siguro yung key takeaway ko dito na ma-share ko sa US, don't be afraid to volunteer with any kind of non-government organizations or anything na feeling nyo makakatulong din sa well-being nyo dahil yung creative ko na pa dito is I'm capable pa of understanding any kind of persons, lalo na yung mga persons with disabilities there. Basta na-cultivate yung understanding to towards the community.
So, paano we get to give back to others. So, yung kagaya nito, paano kung sa akin maliit na bagay, pero sa kanilang malaking bagay na, like yung mga communicate, they're very happy. And sa kasamahan na yung therapy, gantong ginawa natin for this, it's really a big time for them to exercise children.
Being one of the coaches and experiencing the kids' talents along with the stories na nandadanig sa mga magulang nila, it shows that they're not so different. Meron isa tayong usually mga prejudices pagdating sa mga ganyan. And being surrounded by them, seeing their faces, seeing their efforts, mas naliwanagan din eh. I'm sure not just me, but the entire team as well na may kaya siya. And hindi sila nangigiba sa atin, sa inyo, for sa kahit siyama. They all deserve a chance, opportunities to be heard and seen.
OWTA was a true celebration of art and the pride of accomplishment for the children. Even if it was for just a short while, The workshop created a space for creativity and inclusivity.
We are actually very grateful for this. Super happy that we have a Sunday with the kids na they are given the chance to express themselves.
Through the Our World Through Art workshop, we have given children with disabilities the space and opportunity to express a piece of their lives, of their world, through art. Colorful, hopeful, and inspiring, their worlds and their masterpieces remind us that creativity transcends barriers and that beauty can be found in diversity.